Welcome back to day 3 of opening the MUA advent calendar for 2025. Here we are. It's a similar shape to the one from day 2. I think it's going to be a lipstick or something similar, based on the MUA products that I know. Yeah, it is a Hydra Juice Shimmer Lip Stilo in the caramel glaze shade. So that's what it looks like. I have a couple of these already. They're like a kind of sheer lipstick. So that's the swatch on my hand. And again, 3 days in a row, 3 full-size products. So yeah, really enjoying this advent calendar so far.